Few of you were curious about tomato questions. You want to start growing tomatoes in containers? Let's talk about that for a second. First of all, you need to be aware that tomatoes are different classifications. There are determinate tomatoes and there are indeterminate tomatoes. And the difference between those and why you need to know is because determinate tomatoes are the type of tomatoes that you could easily grow in a container like this, because it's what it is, determinate. It grows to a determined amount of time, so maybe a few months, and then you start to get all of your fruit, like this beautiful tomato called Indigo Sun with Burpee Home Gardens. This you'll get a harvest within a few weeks, and you can just harvest everything, and it stays nice and neat, under control, and it's a good size for a container. Now, if you buy a tomato that's an indeterminate, and it does say it on the tag, then it's what it says, indeterminate. You don't know how long it's going to be growing. It could grow throughout the summer until your first frost, and it's usually those tomatoes you see that are real rambling and all over the place. Those are great too, but if you're limited on space, look for determinate tomatoes like this beautiful one here.